welcome back creatives. Today I'm going to show you how I edit my Instagram photos. So I've opened my VSCO Cam app. I'm going to import a photo now. Just waiting on this to load up. So I've found some photos right here. Selected one. I'm going to import it. So I've imported the photo and this is it right here. Okay, for now I'm working with the fall season, so I use C1 to edit my photos for Instagram. That is the theme I'm working with right now. So I'm going to play with the exposure a bit. I tend to like highly contrasted photos. I think that they do better for Instagram and for picture taking on a whole. And I'm going to play with the contrast also. And the saturation. Just going to bring it down for now, just a little bit, to see how it matches my other photos that I already posted. Temperature also. I'm trying to match what I already have. So sometimes what I do, I start to edit my photos from scratch, or sometimes I may copy the edits from the previous photo. But sometimes when you copy the edits from the previous photo, depending on the photo you're posting, it may not match well. So you may have to re-edit in order to match the existing style or theme. So this is what it looks like so far. Going to tweak a few more things, such as the temperature. And this is what it looks like among my other pictures. Just going to change up a little bit more, a little bit more. Tweak the exposure once again. And also the contrast. Increase it a bit. Okay. And I'm going to also crop it by 4.5 or 4.5, and this is what it looks like. I thank you so much for watching my video, and this is what my theme looks like. So ensure that you check it out on Instagram, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll be posting more new content. Thank you.